modules, right? Right. So what are the different ways? Different ways to import module. You know, what's first way of the importing module? First one is import the module name, guys. Import module name. The first one is import module name is the first one. Right. The second one is from module name. What do we do? In the module, what do we have? In the module, we have the functions, the classes, the variables, right? Those we import. So from module name, import right attribute one, right? Next attribute two, and so on like this. The second way. And third one is from module name, import what? Import star. These are the different ways to import a module or import an attribute. Okay, we'll see practically now. I'll take two files and I will show you how to import the modules in different ways. So I'm taking the one file, one empty file. In this file, I just take the 2-3 function definitions. Okay. Suppose def, I'm taking now yard, def yard, okay. I take here a comma b, then some c equal to a plus b, then print of c. This only is a function definition, guys. Okay, only the function definition. Next one more function definition. Def, we take the sub a comma b, then c equal to a minus b, right? A minus b. I'll take one more last one. Def mul of suppose a comma b, and sorry, here which one now? Print of c, right? Here tell me now. C equal to a into b. Tell me now. Print of what? Print of c. So in this module, I'm taking three functions. I'm defining here. And for this one, I'll give the one file name. I'll give the module name. Module name I'm giving here. Suppose I'm giving now nth1 dot py. What's file name? Module name? nth1 dot py. Okay, dot py. It's over. Now this one keep aside. I'll take one more module now. Control T, right? New one. I take the one more. Sorry. So I take the one more module. I take some 2-3 functions here. Def, tell me now, some div is there. A comma b, something like this. Then c equal to a by b, right? Okay, float division I'm taking here. Print of c. Only definition here. Next, def. Let's take suppose modulus, right? A comma b, then which one? C equal to a modulus b, then print of which one? Print of c. And one more is there, exponent operator, right? Arithmetic operators. Def. Let's take it's a power operation. Just take here power. At a comma b, right? A comma b, then c equal to a exponent b. Then something print of c, right? So here I take the two modules. In each module, there are some functions. There are some function definitions are there. All right? Function definitions are there in each module. Okay. I give the file name here. Tell me now. nth2 I am giving. Okay. Py. That's all. Right? Now I take my current file. This is my current file where I'm going to use those modules. Okay. Now this name I am giving nth3.py. Right. The name is given here. All of you observe here. So in this case, just I want write a function to add the two numbers. All right. These two are the modules. Maybe it's system defined modules or user defined. It's a module. That's all. It contains some functions. Those two, NTH1 and NTH2. Now this is my current file. Where I'm going to write the program. So in this case, now my requirement is I want a function to add the two numbers. So I can write here def. I can take something add or adding some name our wish, right? A comma B. Then some C equal to A plus B. Then you can take which one here int of C. And later I'm calling here adding of what? Suppose 10 comma 20 and on this one output will come. Output will come like this. But Python follows which principle? Python follows which principle? Try principle. Try stands for don't repeat which one? Don't repeat yourself, right? Don't repeat yourself. But here I'm repeating the same add function definition, right? So here already what is there? Add is there. The NTH1, the file one already add is there. But again, the same add I am writing here means we are not following the try principle here. Try principle. So don't repeat yourself. So here I don't want to create a function. I want to use that add function. Add function or sub function or mulla or div mod or anyone I want to use. Okay. So right now what do I do here? So as for the numbering, I give the NTH1, NTH2, NTH3, right? Okay, fine guys. Suppose that add we'll see later. I'm going with for example power operation. Which one? Power, right? So in this case, I'm using directly which one here? I'm using the power of some 3 comma 4. I know that the power definition available where in the NTH2 definition is available. I'm calling where? I'm calling where? I'm calling in the NTH, right? NTH3 I'm calling, right? All of you. If I execute it, then what happens now? Tell me. Output comes or not? Huh? If I execute it, the output comes or not here. See, I have the definition in the which file. What's file name here? NTH2 definition. But I'm calling where? NTH3. In all the previous examples, in all the previous functions are the same file. Above definition, below calling output coming very happily. But in this case, in different file definition, in different file calling is there. So in this case, now I know that in NTH2 definition is there. In NTH3, I am calling. I know. But who don't know? Who don't know here? Huh? Interpreter don't know. Interpreter don't know that the definition available in NTH2 doesn't know. So we have to specify there. That specify, right? Suppose now I run the file, guys. I run the file. It says that okay, name error. Which one? Name error. Name power is not defined. So why error is coming means? So whenever I run this one in the current file, it will check where is the power definition. Where is the power function created? Check in the current file. Local scope. There is the local scope. Current file. The current file in NTH3, the definition is not there. Definition is not there. That's what it's saying that the name error, name power is not defined. Power is not defined. All of you, right? Now, what do I do here? Now, what's first you are importing? I'm taking now import what? Import NTH2. That's all. Import NTH2. So NTH2 is what? It's the which one now? File name. Yes or no? It's a file name. All of you here. NTH2 is the which one? File name. That file name I'm importing. That means the file what available? Those all will come here. Those all definitions virtually they come to the NTH3. Even though they are not available in the NTH3, but when I import it, then all NTH2 definitions will come to where? In NTH3, right? Now, so here in NTH2, what is there? Div is there, mod is there, power is there. Okay, now the power coming to NTH3, right? Now run this one. If I execute it, the output will come, or again an error will come. Anyone? All import NTH2 taken. If you execute it, what happens now? Error or output will come. Dibajoti. Guess. Which one? Let us try now. Again, error came. What is the error here? Observe. What is the error here? Again, same error. Name error. Name power is not defined. Even the imported here, but still error is coming. Okay, so I have to specify this power belongs to NTH2. I have to specify like that. Suppose imagine now I am taking the import NTH1 also, guys. For example, imagine like so many are there. For example, NTH4. Just imagine like this. Import NTH. For example, guys. Okay, NTH5 like this. Lot of importing over. Just I am using the power. Now power belongs to which file here? Clarity is not there. This power belongs to which module? That clarity required. That's why I specify here which one? NTH2 dot power. Okay. Now I remove this one. Yes. Now all of the now run this one. We get the. This is which one? First we are importing. Import and NTH2. Then that module name dot. We take the function call. Okay. So in this module, how many functions are there here? 3. But how many I am using here? Only one using. But what is happening here? If 3 are there, there's 3 are importing here. Okay. For example, imagine guys, in this file, imagine there are 100 maybe functions, maybe classes, maybe variables, all 100 are there. If I take the import NTH2, means from NTH2, whatever available, this all 100 will come here, they will come here. Now, out of 100, you can use only one, use the 10, use 20, use 30, use 100, our wish, as per the requirement. Okay. Now, you can observe here, I can use NTH2 dot, which one? Suppose mod of, I am giving 20 comma, suppose 5. Now run this one, we can see now. Okay, modulus of use, which one? Remainder value, right? Next one, NTH2 dot, which one? Div of, see, it is displaying, right? It is displaying all functions. See, dot. See, displaying NTH2 contains div, mod, power. It's all came here. Those 3 definitions came here. That's why those 3 displaying, right? Now we'll take here div of, sorry, already taken, right? Div of same 20 comma 5 like this. How much will come? Is 4. We're taking the double slash, right? Float division. So no float value here. Okay, all of you. So what is happening? I'm using always NTH2, right? A small name, no problem. Suppose a module name, lengthy name is there, very big name is there. That big name always you have to repeat, right? You have to repeat. I don't want like that. Suppose our friend has the lengthy name. What do we do? Keep the some nickname. Yes or no? So here also we keep the nickname for the module. That is called alias name. Yes, just N2 like that. As N2. Now in this entire file, if you want to use the NTH2, we must use the N2 name only N2, right? Now simply N2 dot power, all of you, power of some 4 comma 5, N2, right? N2 dot power of 4 comma 5, you can see only N2, because the main name alias as which one? N2 is the alias name. Okay. Now suppose N2 dot take the mod of some 20 comma something 4 I am taking now. N2, right? Again output will come. Suppose sir of alias also I give the main name, sir. What is the problem? Alias name is given. but still I use the main name only. Main name only. Any problem is there? What's function name remaining? Div, right? Div of let's take the some 10 comma something 5 something 5. Now see correct. Now NH is not there. NH2 because we renamed guys here. Renamed once if you not rename, we give the alias name. Because if you give the alias name, use the alias name only, not the again main name. In this entire file, we should use only alias name M2, not the NH2. We should not use the main name of giving the alias name. All of clear? Right. This is the which one? First way of importing. Import a module name. Import module name, right? So in that way, compulsorily the module name data, compulsorily the function name should be given. All of you. In case of import module name, what is happening here? Module name dot function name. Module name dot function name. We should do like this. Okay. Take the first one. Notes. Just keep this one heading. You also take 3 files like this. Take the first file like this. What's first file name? In our case, I given the nh1 data py. There we are taking the 3 definitions. Def add of a comma b c equal to a plus b. Then print of c. I'm taking the small case, small letters. Def which one? Add of a comma b. Tell me now. C equal to a plus b print of c. Def sub of a comma b equal to a minus b print of c. Def mul of a comma b equal to a into b print of c. Huh?